Greetings, everyone. Today I'm just going to be doing a slide for our web project portfolio pitch. And the application we developed was school management systems. The team members of this portfolio pitch are Inyang Ubong, which is myself, Ogene Kome Igo, Joseph Bamisaye, and Alphonsus. Project background. Okay, as a number of students and teachers and administrators at colleges and universities increase, there is a need to find ways to become more efficient in handling and monitoring administrative records. An SMS or school management system can help streamline operations by providing an easy-to-use centralized system for managing school activities. The SMS platform can be used to track attendance, view grades, admit students, hire new teachers, approve students, and post notices. SMS is a school management system that provides administrative solutions for teachers and students. It is developed using Python, Django, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. This solution was developed by Ian Kome, Joe, and Co. to solve problems related with school administrative processes. Thank you. Learning objectives. Okay, some of the things that we experienced or realized during working on the back end was the Django framework. It's kind of like we were, new to the framework, but we kind of found our way around it. We also had to deal with the database integration from SQLite to PostgreSQL. We used third-party services like Railway. Since it was free, we tried using Heroku, but we needed to pay for a subscription in order to use that. And this cloud hosting platform, Railway, makes things a lot easier for us in the sense that it's simply configured and it gives us free deployment, removing developer hurdles with zero CLI, command line interface. In fact, it's rumored to be a lot faster than Heroku, so that's why we decided to choose using the Railway app for deployment. For the front-end development, we used HTML, CSS, JavaScript to create a very user-friendly and interactive interface. As for authentication, we used the inbuilt Django contrib module in the Django contrib.auth library to give permissions. As for the error handling and logging, we had to manually write codes to catch exceptions and other issues. Testing and deployment. In order to ensure that the application functions correctly and reliably, we had to do some testings as well using third-party services, Postman. The technologies used in this SMS school management system include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Python, Django, PostgreSQL, Railway as a third service. As far as the PostgreSQL, Django actually has an inbuilt, Python has an inbuilt database, default database manager, which is the SQLite, SQLite 3. But the fact that we use Railway, we're using Railway for this deployment, and they already have their own configured PostgreSQLite, database in there, so that's why we chose to use Railway. Some of the challenges identified. Well, in the beginning, we had opted to use Vercel as a tool, a cloud platform tool to host our application, but being not so conversant with the serverless hosting and the configuration processes, our application deployment was very challenging using Vercel. Though we had successfully deployed that SMS web application on Vercel, However, we will be watching it closely for compatibility issues, and if additional challenges arise in the long run, we would opt for other alternatives that are more compatible with Django framework, just like the railway we spoke on. This was the first screenshot of the deployment. This is our SMS architecture. That's a school management system architecture and features. The school portal, admin, teachers, students, attendance, and the dashboard, fees, grades, and notices. Here's another mock-up of the administrative panel. The admin dashboard. Once the administrator is logged in, you can see the teacher, students, salary, fees, pending admissions, pending teacher, pending salary, and dues. Here's a screenshot of the admin login panel, another screenshot of the teacher login panel, student login panel, and a Git repository.